Did you know that your skin, breath, or even the color of your urine can signal that your kidneys might be in trouble? Today, we're diving into the 10 critical warning signs that indicate your kidneys may be in distress. Understanding these symptoms can help you take proactive steps towards maintaining your kidney health and preventing the progression of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Let's explore these signs in detail, using examples, personal experiences, and statistics to illustrate each point. 1. Changes in urination patterns. One of the primary functions of the kidneys is to filter waste from your blood and convert it into urine. When your kidneys aren't working properly, you might notice changes in your urination patterns. This can include an increase or decrease in the frequency of urination, changes in the color or appearance of your urine, or even the presence of blood in your urine. Example: John, a 45-year-old office worker, started noticing that he was waking up multiple times at night to urinate. Initially, he thought it was due to increased water intake, but the persistent frequency led him to consult his doctor. It turned out to be an early sign of kidney dysfunction. Early intervention helped manage his condition and prevented further complications. Explanation: changes in urination patterns can be a significant indicator of kidney problems. The kidneys filter approximately 150 quarts of blood daily, producing about 1 to 2 quarts of urine. Any disruption in this process can indicate that your kidneys are not functioning correctly. If you notice these changes, it's essential to seek medical advice promptly. 2. Fatigue and weakness. Kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which stimulates the production of red blood cells. When kidney function declines, the production of this hormone decreases, leading to anemia. This can cause persistent fatigue and weakness. Example: Mary, a high school teacher, found herself feeling unusually tired and weak despite getting enough sleep. A visit to her doctor revealed that her kidney function was impaired, leading to anemia. With appropriate treatment, her energy levels improved significantly. Personal experience. I recall a patient who was an avid runner. He noticed a significant decline in his stamina. After a thorough checkup, we discovered his kidneys were not producing enough erythropoietin, causing anemia. With medication and dietary changes, he was able to get back to his running routine. Explanation: anemia resulting from kidney disease can be quite debilitating. The kidneys filter about 120–150 quarts of blood daily, and when they are not functioning well, this process is compromised. The lack of red blood cells means less oxygen is transported to your muscles and brain, leading to fatigue and weakness. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. 3. Swelling in the extremities. Edema, or swelling in the legs, ankles, feet, hands, and face, can be a sign that your kidneys are struggling to remove excess fluids from your body. This swelling occurs because the kidneys are not filtering out waste and fluids effectively, leading to fluid retention. Example: Lisa, a sales executive, noticed her shoes were fitting tighter than usual, and her legs felt heavy. She initially attributed it to standing for long hours, but the persistent swelling led her to consult a healthcare professional. It was discovered that her kidneys were not functioning properly, causing fluid retention. Explanation: swelling in the extremities is a classic sign of kidney dysfunction. Healthy kidneys remove excess sodium and fluid from your body. When they fail to do so, these fluids build up, leading to noticeable swelling. Edema can also be caused by other factors like heart failure or liver disease, so it's crucial to get a proper diagnosis. 4. Persistent itching. Itching can be a bothersome symptom of kidney disease due to the buildup of toxins in the blood that the kidneys are no longer able to filter out. This can lead to extremely dry and itchy skin, which can range from mild irritation to severe discomfort. Example: Tom, a 50-year-old construction worker, started experiencing intense itching all over his body. Over-the-counter remedies provided no relief, and his dermatologist eventually diagnosed him with chronic kidney disease after conducting a series of tests. Proper management of his kidney condition significantly reduced the itching. Explanation: uremic pruritus, or itching related to kidney disease, affects approximately 40–50% of patients with end-stage renal disease. This condition can severely impact the quality of life, causing discomfort and sleep disturbances. Managing the underlying kidney disease often helps alleviate the itching. 5. Shortness of breath. Kidney disease can lead to fluid buildup in the lungs, causing shortness of breath. Additionally, anemia related to kidney disease can result in decreased oxygen delivery to the body's organs, further contributing to breathlessness. Example: Rachel, a busy mother of 3, found herself increasingly short of breath even during light activities. Concerned, she visited her doctor, who identified the fluid buildup in her lungs due to kidney issues. With appropriate treatment, her breathing improved. Explanation: shortness of breath can be caused by several factors related to kidney disease, including fluid overload and anemia. The kidneys help regulate the amount of fluid in your body. When they are not functioning correctly, fluid can accumulate in your lungs, making it difficult to breathe. Additionally, anemia decreases the amount of oxygen carried by the blood, exacerbating the feeling of breathlessness. 6. High blood pressure. The kidneys help regulate blood pressure by controlling the amount of fluid in the body and releasing hormones that help manage blood pressure. When the kidneys are not functioning properly, it can lead to hypertension. Example: Steve, a 60-year-old retiree, had his blood pressure checked during a routine visit and found it alarmingly high. Further tests revealed that his kidneys were not filtering blood effectively, leading to increased blood pressure. Managing his kidney disease helped bring his blood pressure under control. Explanation: hypertension is both a cause and a consequence of kidney disease. Damaged kidneys are less effective at regulating blood pressure, leading to fluid retention and increased pressure in the blood vessels. According to the National Kidney Foundation, high blood pressure is the second leading cause of kidney failure, following diabetes. 7. Loss of appetite and nausea. As waste builds up in the bloodstream, it can lead to a decrease in appetite and feelings of nausea. This is often a result of the body's inability to eliminate toxins effectively. Example: Emily, a college student, experienced a persistent loss of appetite and frequent nausea. After ruling out common gastrointestinal issues, her doctor tested her kidney function and found significant impairment. With dietary adjustments and medication, her symptoms improved. Explanation: loss of appetite and nausea are common symptoms in individuals with kidney disease. When the kidneys are not functioning properly, toxins accumulate in the blood, affecting the digestive system and leading to gastrointestinal symptoms. This can result in malnutrition and further health complications if not addressed promptly. 8. Metallic taste in mouth and ammonia breath. A buildup of waste products in the blood can cause a metallic taste in the mouth and ammonia-scented breath. This occurs because the kidneys are unable to filter out urea, which is then broken down into ammonia and excreted through the breath. Example: Mike, a chef, noticed a strange metallic taste in his mouth and bad breath that didn't improve with good oral hygiene. His doctor conducted tests and diagnosed him with chronic kidney disease, which was the underlying cause of these symptoms. Explanation: a metallic taste and ammonia breath are indicative of high levels of urea in the blood, a condition known as uremia. This is a common symptom of advanced kidney disease. As the kidneys fail to filter out waste products, urea accumulates and is converted to ammonia, which can be detected in the breath and taste. 9. Pain in the lower back or sides. Pain in the lower back or sides can be a sign of kidney issues, particularly if it is accompanied by other symptoms like changes in urination, fever, or fatigue. Example: Laura, a fitness enthusiast, began experiencing persistent pain in her lower back. Initially, she thought it was a muscle strain, but when the pain didn't subside, she sought medical advice. Tests revealed kidney stones, and treatment helped alleviate her pain. Explanation: lower back pain can be related to various kidney problems, including infections, stones, or even cysts. It's important to distinguish between musculoskeletal pain and pain caused by kidney issues. Kidney pain is often described as sharp and severe, located below the rib cage on either side of the spine. 10. Skin color changes. Toxins that build up in the body due to kidney dysfunction can cause changes in skin color, such as a pale, grey, or yellowish hue. Prolonged itching and scratching can also lead to changes in skin texture and color. Example: David noticed that his skin had taken on a greyish hue and developed darker patches. Concerned, he visited his dermatologist, who linked these changes to his declining kidney function. Early intervention helped manage his symptoms and improve his skin's appearance. Explanation: skin color changes are often one of the more visible signs of kidney disease. As kidney function deteriorates, the accumulation of toxins can lead to noticeable changes in the skin. This can be distressing and may require dermatological treatments alongside kidney management. Conclusion: recognizing these signs early and seeking medical advice can make a significant difference in managing kidney disease and maintaining overall health. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation and appropriate treatment. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you.